Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I've worked thousands of cases. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have about 3,500 YouTubes out there. I appreciate the audience that listens. A lot of people have their cases brought down to a revenue officer at the local level, and people actually sometimes would like to speak to a former IRS agent who was a revenue officer to find out what the job of the revenue officer and what they're going to do on your case. Well, I've worked thousands of cases for IRS for a decade, and I still work with revenue officers, so I want to tell you what their job is and how they're going to work your case. First of all, I want you to know there's all types of revenue officers. There's lime, lemon, and large, as my dad used to say. At the end of the day, you don't know who you're going to get in a pot. Some are anal, some are brilliant, some are really off, some are wacky, some don't call you back, some you don't know what's going on, some send out levies and they don't ask, some send garnishments, some try to see stuff. Then you have just really nice people, so you don't know who you're going to get. It's like the old Cracker Jacks. You used to go in the Cracker Jacks box and find out, gee, what's here, so you don't know. But what their job is, and it's important for you to understand what a revenue officer is going to do with your case. First of all, the case has been in the service center for 6 months. What's the service center? The service center is where your case is generated and they send out the bills. By the way, there's a computer that sends out the bills, not people. People up there don't know what's going on. So all these bills come out. Now, if you want to stop your case at the service center level, which is a good idea, you pick up the phone, you call them, and you speak to someone at the service center. But when the case comes down to a local revenue officer, it gets more serious. That person has the ability to seize. They can seize, file federal tax lien, seize your wages, take your bank account. They can make your life basically miserable. If you have a business, they can levy your account receivables. They can do pretty much with whatever they want as long as they're within the letter of their law. And the letter of their law is massive. They have a big expanse, and it's hard to stop what they're going to do. So I just want you to know they're going to drill down on your financial statement. They're going to take, first of all, they have to close your case. That's their number one job, is to close your case. And they usually you owe IRS debt. And what are they going to do? Like I said, they're going to take a financial statement, a 433A, a 433B, and boom, they're going to drill down and find out where they can collect money from you. That's their job, but they must close your case. Usually they want their cases closed in 90 days. If they keep going and going, their manager gets all over their ass. But anyway, I know everything a revenue officer is going to do from start to finish. If you need a former IRS agent who's worked thousands of cases, let me know. We have a whole bunch of them really on my staff. So call me anytime you want. I don't know where the number is. It's here. Somebody put it somewhere, but you can reach out to me by text or by email at any time. I always answer my own phone. Remember, a revenue officer is the last person that you're going to speak to at IRS, because they must close your case. Thank you for listening. I'll wait for your call. Always give me a subscription, please. Thank you.